Hey everybody, welcome to week 4. This is a really big week for you guys. You have to take the midterm exam in Math 143. This will be your first major assessment in that class, what you've done the Module 1 and Module 2 work and quizzes to prepare for. And remember that this assessment has to be taken in a proctored environment. This means you either have to use our online proctoring service, which is ProctorTrack, or you have to take the exam in our testing center. If you choose to use ProctorTrack, there's some prep work that has to be done way before you take the assessment. So make sure you get that done maybe a day or two ahead of time so that if you have any technical issues, you can get those taken care of. I just wanted to give you a brief synopsis of things I've been up to and then a look forward to this week. So we'll jump right in so I don't take much of your time. I have completed grading in week 2. So any grades or any assignments that you've submitted, you can see that feedback in the assignment link and your grades should be updated. I thought that you guys did a really good job with your Hello, and welcome to week 4. This is a really big week for you guys. You've got to take the midterm exam in Math 143, and I think this will be your first major assessment. The midterm exam is a proctored assessment, meaning you have to take it either with our online proctoring service called ProctorTrack, or you've got to take it in the RCC testing center or an approved testing center. So if you're going to use the ProctorTrack, there's a lot of preliminary work that you need to do. Don't wait until the day you're going to take the exam. So you might want to go ahead and start that now. If you have any questions, you can reach out to myself or Ms. Saffold. So I am done grading all of your week 2 material. You'll find the feedback for all of that in the assignment links for those assignments. And I want to thank you for those of you who gave me the optional feedback. I really appreciate that, and I have responded to those as well. Please feel free anytime to reach out with any feedback that you might have. So let's talk a little bit about this week. So let me minimize me. So like I said, this is week 4. Our major focus is a midterm exam prep. So I do have a checklist out here for you. And then I also have a survey for you guys. So I'd like to offer to you an in-person midterm review session. So what you'll see when you click on this link is your choices. I'm going to offer one tomorrow afternoon from 2 to 3 on campus in the Science Building in room 111, or Monday afternoon from 3 to 4 in Science 111 as well. The third choice is if you're not interested in attending a review session. So please respond to this survey and let me know if you'd like to attend one and which one you'd like to attend. If these dates and times don't work for you, please know that you always have the option to pop in my office hours Monday through Thursday from 10 to 11:15, or you can set up an appointment for a time outside of that if those times aren't convenient for you either. So moving back to the week, the other things that I have planned for week 4, there is another Muddiest Point Forum, so an opportunity for you to talk about what in Module 2 stumped you or maybe that you're still having trouble with, or an opportunity to provide feedback to a classmate. So I'd like for you to make at least one post or reply, either post something that's giving you trouble or reply to a classmate with helpful hints. I do have a review sheet and the solutions in PDF format here. You do not have to submit this, but it is really good practice for the midterm exam as well as this midterm review quiz that's next. So print this out, do the problems, check your answers, and if you have any questions, let me know. And this is something I may use to go over in the midterm review session. You do have to take a review quiz in Math 043. So it says students should take this quiz in preparation for their Math 143 midterm. There is a 40-minute time limit on the quiz. I believe, if I remember correctly, because I worked on it yesterday, there are about 15 questions, and you only get one attempt. So upload your work via the submission link in Moodle within 5 minutes of completing the quiz, and you'll be able to review your quiz after you submit your work. And if you have any questions, let me know by either sending me an email or coming to my student hours. And this is just the link for you to submit the work. So hopefully you feel supported through your first major assessment. The last thing in this week is moving forward to Module 3. So you'll talk about what it means to be independently or dependently related to something. So there's a lesson on that and then an activity to test your understanding. So that is the week in a nutshell. I did want to remind you that there are these conversion sheets available. So if you click on the conversion charts here, you may want to print these out and take them with you to the midterm. So remember, the midterm is an open note assessment. So you can take these conversion charts as well as the Module 1 quiz study guide that you made for the Module 1 quiz and the Module 2 study guide that you made for the Module 2 quiz. You can take all your notes, but the midterm is a timed assessment. You won't have time to flip through all of your notes and get through all of the questions. So having those study guides will be a big help. Good luck. Reach out to me with any questions you might have. I wish you the best of luck on your midterm exam, and I hope to see you guys soon.